Do you get the screen Android Studio la? Do you see a new option as start a new Flutter project? இது முன்னாடி இருந்திருக்கிறது. இப்போ you might see this. Do you see start a new Flutter project? Okay, click on this one, click on start a new Flutter project. You will get a screen like this. Flutter application, Flutter plugin, Flutter package, Flutter module, in the mari something you will get. Click on Flutter application, click on Flutter application and hit next. Okay, do you see something like this? Flutter app. In the mari edo vandirukkuda. Let me just put something here. My first Flutter app. Okay, so this is the name of my project. Make sure that project name la spaces edume irukakudadu. Yeah, we'll set that. Michelle will set that SDK path. So just name your project. Do you see something as Flutter SDK path? Do you see Flutter SDK path? Mac users just copy this. Inge enna irukudho adhe potrunga. /users your username SDK Flutter. Idu appadiye potrunga. People who are on Windows do this. You have to put C drive, src, Flutter. Okay, just give me a minute. Just put this C drive, src, Flutter. Idu add pannidunga. Add this to your SDK path, Michelle and others. Just put in there C drive, src, Flutter. Done. If you have trouble, just click on this 3 dots and select your directory. Manually, you can directory select. So go to your C drive, click on src, adula Flutter in the folder select pannittu open nu kuduthirunga. If you have some problem with typing, you can do that. Click on the 3 dots, go to your C drive, click on src and click on Flutter and click open. That's it. Done. Others done or not? If you have issues now, like if you have issues with your Flutter doctor, no problem. We'll get them resolved. We'll get them resolved. But just tell me if you have updated your SDK path in this thing. Idu oru vaati da pananum. Idukapram you don't have to do this. Just for the first time. Done. Others. Fabian?
Yeah, no?
So have you done this?
Yeah, no?
Okay. So if everything is complete now, just click next. It will ask you a package name. Just type in, okay, you have to do it like this. com dot the name of your company. So what's the name of your company? Your company name is Patarai. So let me put com.patarai. You can put in the name of your company dot the name of your application. So what's the name of my app? It's my first app. So just put a name of your package, something like this. Andrews Vishal, I could not click next. Android Studio open. Okay, Ashik, Android Studio open panana. Go to file and click on close project. Ashik, go to file, click on close project. Andrews Vishal, I could not click next. Does it show a problem, Andrews? Keel edavadhu error kaatuda? See, just follow this. Let me show this again. In the edathula, you should not like kadisila or slash podakudadu. That might be a problem for you. Do not put a slash at the end, like this slash or that slash. Do not put it at the end. And this visual invalid project name. Yeah. Do not have any space in your project name. Project name la spaces irkakudadu. It should be all lowercase and have a underscore. Ingadu underscores devana, put underscores there. Do not have a space. Like ஒரு programmer உடைய general practice இது. If you are into programming, never ever use spaces anywhere. ஒரு ஸ்பேஸ் எங்கேயுமே யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது, எஸ்பெஷலி இன் ஃபைல் நேம்ஸ், இன் ஃபோல்டர் நேம்ஸ், எங்கேயுமே ஸ்பேசஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. தட் இஸ் அ வெரி பேட் ப்ராக்டிஸ். இன்வாலிட் ப்ராஜெக்ட் நேம், இட்ஸ் ப்ராபப்லி பிகாஸ் யூ ஹேவ் அ ஸ்பேஸ் இன் த நேம். ஜஸ்ட் ரிமூவ் த ஸ்பேஸ், இட் ஷுட் பி ஃபைன். Francis, the folder specified as Flutter SDK home does not exist. Okay, Francis, do this. In the 3 dots, click on it. Go to your C drive. Adula click on src. Adula click Flutter and hit open. Flutter click on it. Open nu kudunga. I think that will resolve your problem.
ராகுல்
சொல்டா.
எனக்கு ஃப்ளட்டர்னு ஒரு இதுவே அப்ளிகேஷன் ஒரு ஃபோல்டரே இல்லை.
சி டிரைவ்ல எஸ்ஆர்சின்னு ஒரு ஃபோல்டர் இருக்குதா?
ஓகே இருக்கு.
எஸ்ஆர்சி ஃபோல்டர் ஓபன் பண்ணி ஃப்ளட்டர் கிளிக் பண்ணு.
ஃப்ளட்டர் அது ஃபோல்டரா இருக்குமா?
ஃபோல்டரா தான் இருக்கும். சி டிரைவ்ல எஸ்ஆர்சிக்குள்ள ஃப்ளட்டர் will be a folder.
இல்ல ஃப்ளட்டர் ஒரு ஃபோல்டர் இல்ல.
டேய் இப்போ கொஞ்ச நேரம் முன்னாடி தான் காப்பி பண்ணிருப்பேன்.
அந்த இதுல தான் சொல்றேன். ஃப்ளட்டர்ன்ட்டு ஒரு இது இருந்தது. அது வந்து எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணது நான் சொல்றேன்.
எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண அந்த ஃபோல்டர் இருக்குதுல்ல, அதை எங்க எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண?
ஓகே ஓகே இருக்கு.
நீங்க எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண ஃபோல்டர் will be src. அந்த src ஃபோல்டருக்குள்ள you will find the folder as flutter. Click that and click OK. Okay. So click next. Type in the name of your package. Package format has to be com dot your company's name dot the name of your application. So it's com dot patarai dot the name of our application. Just type this in and hit next. Avlodha. Idellame just check everything. Just check these three options if you have. Check pannittu click on finish. யாருக்காவது இது வரைக்கும் வர்றதுக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்துச்சா? Do you have a problem with this? Say yes or no. Do you have a problem with this? Ashik, create project offline. Do not tick create project offline. If and the option vanduchina, do not click create project offline because you have to download sources from the internet now. So do not tick create projects offline. Okay, does anybody have a problem in the state varaku varadukku? Okay, once this is done, do this. If you have more than 4 GB of RAM now, you will be setting up your emulator now. Okay, emulator ipo set pananum. So this is up to you. You can either choose to use your mobile phone to test your apps, illati screen la emulator venumna follow this. Okay, okay, to set up the emulator, do you see this icon here? SDK manager ku left side la do you see something as AVD manager? This one, AVD manager. Yes or no? Okay, click on this one. Do you get a screen like this? In that click on create a new virtual device. Over here, create a new virtual device. Do you see this? Yes or no? Okay, and Vishal, do you see this thing? SDK manager ke left side la you would find something as AVD manager. Click on your AVD manager. In that click on create virtual device. Based on your computer again, go for a lightweight device. I would say neenga virtual device vechu work pandringna go for a lightweight device. I would suggest something as probably go with something like this. I think this would be good. Do you see Galaxy Nexus, something like this? Go with Galaxy Nexus or Nexus. Okay, I think you can go with Galaxy Nexus or this one, 4.7 inches WXGA. You can go with either one of these. These are like optimized ones. You can choose any one of them. So choose one. If your computer is fast enough, no problem. You can go with one of the Pixels. You can go with them. If your computer is slow, if you think it's slow, go with one of these. Go with Galaxy Nexus or a different one. But make sure that the resolution is at least 720p. Select a device. I'll go with the, let's say this Galaxy Nexus. I'll choose this one. Click on next. In the edathula, do you see this thing? You have to download a system image up in varum. Do you see something like this? Download system image. If you already have an image, click that. In my computer, I have Android Q and Android R. Like in the render images, they are already there on my computer. If you do not have one, click on download. If you have a slow computer, go with Android Oreo. If you have a fast computer, go with Pi or Q. You can choose any of them. Q கொடுத்துட்டு next கொடுத்துடுங்க. It will ask you இதெல்லாம் சும்மா அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும். Just click on finish. So when you hit finish, that will create a new AVD and you will find it. Look at this Pixel API 29. This was just created. Pixel API 29. So click on this button play. அதுக்கப்புறம் you will see something like this. Okay, so once that is done, do you see your source code here? Android Studio பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்படி ஒரு இது இருக்கும். We never wrote this program. This was generated for us. We never wrote this. Okay, so just resize your window to something like this so that you can see both your phone and your code on the same time. So once you get this set up, in the இடத்துல left side, do you see something like this over here? This will show you your emulator as well. So the name of my emulator is SGK GPhone X86 Mobile. Do you see something like this? Select this and click on play. Do you see play? Run. Do you see this? So click this. This will download some more files if you're running it for the first time. Other funding, I will show you what the very first application looks like. So we generated our first application. I'll show you how this looks. Michelle, I did not get SDK GPhone. That's fine. You might see some other name. You know, in name of the emulator which I'm using is SDK GPhone. You might see some other name here. You might see some other name. That is fine. That's completely fine. Do you see a different name over here? Do you see something as Android? Android for some x86, something like that? Yeah, Android SDK built for mobile. Yeah, you can select that. That's the thing. It might vary from computer to computer, but that's pretty much the thing. Just select that. You might see something here as Android SDK for mobile, something like that. Select that and click on this play button, this run button over here. Just do that. This will download more stuff. Just give it some time. It will download. Just wait for that. Others, Tony, Francis, Asmir Khan, Ajay, Hamdan, did you do this step?
It's still installing for me now.
Yeah, okay. So Hamdan, do you see something as running graded task, assemble debug, something like that? Do you see that? Okay. Michelle, do you see that? Okay, that will download some stuff. Just give it some time. Okay, meanwhile, I think the first app is ready over here. Let me show how this works. Do you see? This is the very first application which we've generated. We have not built it, we've generated. What this essentially does is when you hit this plus button, it will increase the count. Can you see that? Okay, let it install for you. Meanwhile, let me show you something else. Let me show you how the same application looks on iOS. There is a different way to run your app. Let me show that. You can run the app from your command prompt also. And look at this. I'm in this terminal option over here. So let me just try something. Flutter run the iPhone. Let me show you how the app looks on an iPhone. Can you see that? These two are essentially the same applications. They are running from a single code base, and we never made even even one line of change. We never did that. It's the same code which is running on both your Android and your iPhone. And look at how similar the applications look. That is what Flutter can do. Okay, do you see something now on the screen? This is essentially the same application running on macOS. This is a desktop application. Can you see this one over here? This is a desktop application. This is not running on an emulator. This is an actual desktop application. So Flutter is that powerful. You write one code, it can literally run on any platform, like any platform.